Yeah, warm greetings of the day, all the students of this organization. I am very much thankful for Dr. Sujay Kadilkar, the director of the institution, and the other staff members for inviting me to have a word with you to discuss more about the very happening issues about startups. And I am very happy that KIT has taken an initiative to aware students about various topics. All you are aware that the entire world is suffering from the pandemic due to COVID 19, and this has been an opportunity to us to develop self, develop the society as well as the nation. There are certain ways through which we can change the environment, and today I am going to talk more about that. As the slide is visible to you, I am going to talk more about how to start a startup, the journey from idea to execution. Probably 30-40 minutes we are going to have an interaction, and I am sure after the session you are going to think that you can be an entrepreneur, and I am sure you are going to start your own venture. My friends, basically talking to the journey of a management student, it's a general survey that we do start our management program with a vision to get a best job, corporate career. Even the family members and the social gathering around us always used to say, कौन सी कंपनी में जॉब करोगे, कितना पैकेज है. So it's an social insistence, I can say, that students are suffering from कि खाली जॉब करना है. Nobody is thinking कि I can start my own company, I can start my own venture, I can start my own business, and I want to see myself as a job provider rather than job seeker. So even though there are brilliant ideas reflects in the minds of students, due to the social atmosphere, we can say, or social environment, I can say, 90% of crowd start searching for a job, and they prepare themselves to work under somebody else. My question is, being a management student, you can be your own decision maker. You are aware about all the management perspectives, and you can utilize that knowledge to share experience and enrich your life. My friends, I appeal generally, rather than searching for a job, or if you there is a need to do a job, you can start working, no doubt, but simultaneously start working for self also. 24-hour is a daytime or a time span we are having for a day. 8 to 10 hours we used to work if I decide to work for a company. No doubt 10 hours I am going to calculate. It means 14 hours are remaining with you. Out of that 14 hours, at least 2 to 3 hours you can spare for yourself, where you can work for yourself, means you can start your own venture. हमारे यहाँ पे एक जनरली देखा जाता है कि लोग बोलते हैं बिजनेस करना है मुझे, बट पैसा नहीं है. मेरे पास काफ़ी आइडिया है, बट आई डोंट हैव मच मनी टू स्टार्ट और टू इन्वेस्ट. इससे बेहतर है मैं जॉब करूँगा, देखूँगा आगे पैसा आता है मेरे पास तो मैं सोचूंगा. माई फ्रेंड्स, once you are going to start with job, it's very hard to come back and start a venture. There are executions, there are exceptional case also, no doubt, but आप कन्वीनियंट जोन में जीना की आदत लगा देते हैं खुद को, और वंस यू स्टार्ट विद द कन्वीनियंट जोन और कंफर्टेबल जोन, it's very difficult to change that module of your life. So I appeal from starting only you supposed to start a business, or if it is needed to work, then start a job. Also start investing 2 to 3 hours in yourself where you can start your own venture. So today we are going to have more discussion about this idea and execution, and I'm sure all you people are going to enjoy this session. As slide is there in front of you, I am working as a management head also with Startup Innovation, and I am a mentor of Startup India, Government of India initiative. To move further, I just want to say there is a dilemma in the minds of people which business is known as a startup, because every business is a startup or every startup is a business. There is a synonymous things always. But according to the government initiatives or government definition, in my opinion, startup is a company basically started with a vision and a passion of a team to do something different. Government insists that if innovation is part of your product and services, that it can be a startup. No, it's right. Definitely it's right. But if you are starting a venture, if you don't have an innovation at the initial stage, and if you are doing a regular kind of business, at least transform that business in an innovative way to consider yourself as a startup. Because government offer various schemes to the category of startups, and to reframe your business in that category, some kind of innovation definitely you can plan for. It doesn't mean that if only innovation is there, you can start a business. No, 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 it's wrong. You can start a business. Later you can think to transform something, I can say the product, services, or any 4 P's, you are aware about the 4 P's or even 7 P's, to change, and some innovation should be there where you can analyze the market need and provide the regular supply. So my friends, you can start your company at your own, or you can form a group of your friends, relatives, any member to whom you trust. So startup is a business entity which started, I repeat, which started with a vision and a passion. I do believe in passion because passion itself is a very important part of an entrepreneur's life. A business without passion probably not going to work, but business with passion is going to work. जो लोग बिजनेस करने से पहले ही देखते हैं कि मुझे कितना पैसा मिलेगा, probably they are not going to start a business because they are only money minded people. Startup is something, or business is something that should start with a passion. Why passion? Because passion is important to achieve your ultimate goal. Your dedication, devotion, and determination is part of your passion. So I always see the passionate people are quite successful because they work 24/7. No doubt they enjoy every happiness of their life. They enjoy the family life also. They enjoy each and every materialistic life, physical life, or itself is a psychological life. They are leading always because they are bombarding, they are basically they are qualified themselves with a passionate atmosphere, and they are have a vision to do something different. My friends, considering startup, as a slide is there in front of your eyes, every startup basically starts with an idea, no doubt. While sitting at home, probably while listening this lecture, while working at your any classroom, or discussing with anybody else, number of ideas flashes in our general mind. But how many ideas do we really concern that we can work on, or that we can transform into actual execution? So my friends, here we are going to see some important aspect of startups, what steps we supposed to follow to transform our concepts, let's say idea, into actual business. So I am going to discuss some certain few steps as I indicated in the slides. Few steps, it's only 5 to 6 steps I am going to share you that can change you if you are going to start a startup, how you can start. So my friends, All ideas are great idea. It's up to you how you're going to make it successful. So once you're going to follow certain steps that can differentiate you among the fellow members or fellow competitors, you are going to be successful startups. So my friends, whenever any idea flashes to your mind or reflects in your mind, first and very important part you're supposed to do is do your market research. What research? As you can see, idea is very important, no doubt, but your passion, your dedication, your devotion, your willingness matters a lot to transform that idea into reality. And to get more knowledge about that particular idea, you're supposed to learn more about the existing market environment, and that's why you're supposed to do the market research. As the step second is there, begin your research by writing down the problem you think your business idea will solve. My friends, many businesses are there in the market, and you can see only those businesses are successful who are solving something for the sake of society, for the sake of need of market. So you need to thoroughly understand that your idea is something that is going to solve the market issue or market need. If it is, then you are going to be successful. If you don't know more about your, whether you are having a business solution that is going to solve the problem, then start certain kind of survey, do certain kind of surveys where you can get more about the existing market situation. Let's say example, I am taking one example how we can do a market research. See, मुझे एक बस स्टॉप पे रुका हूँ मैं और वहाँ से मुझे दूसरी जगह जाना है, मुझे ये पता नहीं है कि वहाँ पे बस कितने टाइम में आएगी. सो अगर सपोज़ कोई ऐप ऐसा होता है कि मुझे बस स्टॉप पे जाने के बाद पता चलेगा वो ऐप से कि अभी ए नंबर की बस यहाँ पे आने वाली है, 20 मिनट में आने वाली है, 15 मिनट में आने वाली है, सो आई कैन कम टू नो कि भाई बस आने वाली है और मुझे सफ़र के लिए इमीडिएट ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकता हूँ मैं. नाउ हियर व्हाट इज़ द बिजनेस? बिजनेस इज़ दैट मेनी पीपल आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द प्रॉब्लम दैट उनको बस स्टॉप पर जाके खड़ा रहना है, ये पता नहीं कि बस कितने बजे आने वाली, कितने टाइम पे आने वाली है. अगर ऐसा कोई सोल्यूशन हमने दिया तो ऐप नेचुरली चलेगा, लोग नेचुरली जाके उसका यूज़ करेंगे कि मेरा टाइम कितना बचने वाला. अगर मुझे पता चला कि मैं वहाँ पर रुका हूँ और बस आने के लिए कम से कम आधा घंटा है, तो आधा घंटा में वो यूज़ कर सकता हूँ दूसरे किसी काम में, या फिर दूसरा ट्रांसपोर्ट मोड देख सकता हूँ मैं. सो दैट कैन सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम. जनरली सब लोग इसको फील करते हैं, बट नो बडी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन सच काइंड ऑफ कंसेप्ट. सो यहाँ पे हम सर्वे कर सकते हैं, मार्केट रिसर्च कर सकते हैं कि ऐसा ऐप मार्केट में है, क्या है तो क्या करता है, नहीं है तो क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग, किस क्या लोग उसको एक्सेप्ट करेंगे, क्या लोग एक्सेप्ट करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे, उसको बिजनेस मॉडल पे कैसे जनरेट करेंगे हम लोग, क्या हम बस प्रोवाइडर सर्विस ऑपरेटर के साथ उसको कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं क्या. वेरियस पॉइंट्स वी कैन डिस्कस अबाउट हियर if you are going to start your market research. So my friends, first point is very important, that is start market research to understand more about your project and getting more knowledge about your concept or idea. Second important part, pick a workplace and find a mentor. बहुत बार हम इसका रिसर्च करेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे और वहीं पे छोड़ देते हैं हम लोग, देखेंगे यार इतना टाइम नहीं है, ये काम करना है मुझे, वो काम करना है, और छोड़ देते हैं हम लोग. दैट इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग. That's why I believe specifically people with passion basically are successful. Now you can understand why passion is very important to make you the person you want to be. Here you can look for the workplace. Workplace may be anything. Your classroom may be your workplace, your faculty's cabin may be your workplace, your house may be your workplace, or any comfortable place where you can work is your workplace. But the most important part starts with here, you need a mentor. Many time हम इसको निगलेक्ट करते हैं, हमें लगता है आइडिया मेरा है, काम तो मुझे ही करना है, तो why I need a mentor? My friends, mentor in terms I want to say that if you are aware about entire market knowledge, it's good, but mentor are the person who know in-depth knowledge of the business entity or business organization, or mentor can guide you here, whether you are doing in the right direction or wrong direction. But the concern is you should find excellent or right mentor. That's your skill. So here mentor can be your professor, mentor can be your friend, or mentor can be any industry person whom you trust. If you don't, connect with some mentors. Those are having certain experience in startups. Discuss with them. Your concept you should discuss. But while discussing, always keep a thing in mind. As I said earlier, you should draw a piece of paper about your idea, the problem society is suffering, or you think there is a problem, your solution, and how it is going to solve. Things should be there on paper always. You should not discuss orally, because while oral discussion, many things are going to be left. So my friends, mentor will guide you about the future directions of your business. He will navigate your directions in terms of success, and you can be on the right path with the help of mentor. एक एग्जांपल यहाँ पे देता हूँ मैं. हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट किया था बीच में. बेसिकली आई मेंटर डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स. और मेंटर क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट होता है माय फ्रेंड्स? एक कंपनी हमने काम किया था, आईटी कंपनी था, और आई वाज द मेंटर देयर. कंपनी स्टार्ट हुआ, उनके पास इनोवेशन का प्रोडक्ट था, और बाद में उन लोगों को लगा हमने दिमाग लगाया है तो व्हाई वी नीड अ मेंटर. सो डेफिनेटली दे चेंज एंड दे अप्रोच अनदर पर्सन स्पेसिफिकली. उन्होंने भी उनके साथ काम चालू किया, और विद इन 1-1.5 साल में बाद वो कंपनी बंद हो गया. माय फ्रेंड्स, the product the company were having was innovation and revolution in education domain product. But because of wrong mentors, because of wrong guidance, company आगे गया नहीं. So my friends, always believe in mentor and find a best mentor. Anyone can be your best mentor if you trust. Subject is the expert should have in-depth knowledge of the market environment. So this is the second important step I want to appeal, that you should have a right mentor. Third, if you want to start at your own, you can. But if you need a co-founder, search for a co-founder to whom you can trust, to whom you can share the burden of your startup. Now here, co-founder may be again anyone. Your faculty may be your co-founder. Your teacher, your friend may be your co-founder, your family member can be your co-founder, subject to they should equally work dedicatedly with you. So finding a co-founder is an option. If you want to start at your own, do start and get the success. Now the important part here is getting incorporated your company. Being a management student, you are aware that there are various ways to register for a company. You can start a proprietorship, you can start a partnership, or as mentioned in the slide, these are options for starting a company in India. Now why it is important to register your company at the earlier stage only? There is a reason. I will explain it later once we are going to move forward, why I insist to register a company in the early stage only. Once you are going to register your company in the early stage, it is going to be an obligation on you to work for the company, my friends. And here you work dedicatedly because you are legally responsible to work for a company, my friends. So this is a kind of responsibility you are going to carry on your shoulder, that you are registered a company and you are supposed to work. This is very important, my friends. लोग बोलते हैं हम बाद में कंपनी फॉर्म करेंगे, देखेंगे, अभी पैसा नहीं है मेरे पास, पैसा कहाँ से लाऊं? माय फ्रेंड्स, टू रजिस्टर्ड डिफरेंट कंपनीज यू नीड वेरी लेस अमाउंट, प्रॉब्ली 1,000 रुपये से लेके 10,000 रुपये तक यू कैन स्टार्ट, यू कैन रजिस्टर्ड योर कंपनी. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप, प्रॉब्ली 1,000 इज इनफ. उद्योग आधार आप निकाल सकते हो, यू कैन स्टार्ट बिजनेस. पार्टनरशिप 1,500-2 हज़ार में आपका ख़त्म हो जाता है. LLP 8-10 हज़ार में ख़त्म हो जाता है. प्राइवेट लिमिटेड सेम अमाउंट. If you need more directors, then amount extra is going to be bear by you. Now friends, तो 1,000 से लेके 8-10 हज़ार तक हम रजिस्टर में पैसा लगा सकते हैं. उतना पैसा तो होता है. ऐसा कोई नहीं कि ज़ीरो पैसा है, उतना पैसा तो हम घर वालों से लेके भी कर सकते हैं, फिर कॉलेज से लेके भी, कॉलेज पे यू कैन आस्क फॉर योर कॉलेज इफ दे आर गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट दे कैन. My friends, so getting registered your company is very important part, and I am sure this will help you a lot. Now, once you are going to register your company, the most important part many entrepreneurs forget is securing their IPR, intellectual property rights. It doesn't mean you are going to register for patent. If your product or service is kind of innovation, you should register for IPR first. Now, IPR means a patent, copyright, trademark, anything through which you can save the legal existence of your product or services and your company also. Now, registering patent is very simple process, my friend. If you are having an innovation or invention in your product, I appeal start doing patent at earliest, because this will save your amount for later work. Copywriting, again very crucial part. Trademark of your business, again very crucial mark. एक स्टार्टअप इनिशियल डेज पे मैंने देखा था, एक एग्जांपल लेता हूँ मैं. एक दो लोगों ने एक स्टार्टअप किया था, डिजिटल सर्विसेज का स्टार्टअप था वो, और उन्होंने एक डिजिटल ऐप डेवलप किया था. इनिशियली उन्होंने कंपनी का नाम रखा, वो ऐप का भी नाम रखा था, और एक चेक किया कि ये इस टाइप का नाम अवेलेबल है क्या ट्रेडमार्क में. अब ट्रेडमार्क का कंसर्न क्या है, यू आर गोइंग टू रजिस्टर्ड योर कंपनी नेम और प्रोडक्ट नेम. कम से कम 1 साल लगता है उसका रिपोर्ट आने के लिए. इनिशियल आपको अप्रूवल दिया जाता है 1 साल तक, ताकि उसमें कोई क्लेम ना कर सके. और उन्होंने नाम रखा, नाम रखने के बाद डोमेन परचेस किया, वेबसाइट परचेस किया, वेबसाइट डेवलप किया, प्रोडक्ट डेवलप किया, और 1 साल के बाद रिपोर्ट आई कि दिस नेम इज़ नॉट अलाउड. अब सिंपल है, 1 साल के बाद आपको सब कुछ चेंज करना है, प्रोडक्ट का नाम चेंज करना है, वेबसाइट चेंज करना है, डोमेन अवेलेबल होना चाहिए. कितना डिफिकल्ट टास्क है ये. मीन्स यू आर अगेन गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. उस कंपनी ने सेम उसके साथ ऐसा केस हुआ था, उन्होंने 1 साल के बाद वापस चेंज करना पड़ा, और अगेन दे हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. तब तक आपका बना बनाया हुआ मार्केट आपके हाथ से निकल जाता है. सो माई फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट डूइंग IPR on the early stage of your startups only, because this will save your expenses later on for your company. Now, once you are done with the IPR, decide on your branding for a product. Now, branding doesn't mean that you should promote only. Branding means taking a website domain or a product name through which you are going to offer the product on electronic platform, e-commerce platform, or any platform. आपका जो नाम ट्रेडमार्क के लिए रजिस्टर्ड होता है उसका सर्च रिपोर्ट तो मिल जाएगा आपको, बट जो नाम आप डोमेन के लिए लेने वाले, वेबसाइट डोमेन के लिए लेने वाला है, दैट शुड बी वेरी कैची, इट्स इजी टू रिमेंबर. फॉर मार्केटिंग, आई थिंक मार्केटिंग का एक बेसिक फंडा होता है कि जो भी नाम रखते हैं आप लोग वो ईजी होना चाहिए, प्रोनाउंसिएशन के लिए ईजी होना चाहिए, नाम याद होना चाहिए. सो माई फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू आर डूइंग विद सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, ब्रांडिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, और ब्रांडिंग होना चाहिए आपके सब लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज़ के कंसिडरेशन पे. सो हियर आई अपील, IPR के टाइम पे जो भी लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज़ करते हैं, साइमल्टेनियसली आपको करना है आपके वेबसाइट डोमेन के लिए, नाम के लिए, कॉपीराइटिंग के लिए, और उसको रजिस्टर्ड करना है ऑन इमीडिएट बेसिस, सो दैट यू कैन स्टार्ट प्रमोटिंग योर प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम द अर्ली स्टेज ओनली. नो, अर्ली स्टेज पे आप प्रमोट कर सकते हो थ्रू योर सोशल मीडिया और एनी ट्रेडिशनल मीडिया एज पर द नीड ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज. सो branding is a very crucial part, my friends, and you're supposed to do at early stage. Here the actual business start. अभी तक जो भी हमने डिस्कस किया था, that is the early stage process about your startup. यहाँ से चालू होता है आपका एक्चुअली बिजनेस गेम, मनी, मार्केट एंड द फर्दर थिंग. यहाँ आपको करना होता है राइटिंग योर बिजनेस प्लान. नाउ व्हाट इज बिजनेस प्लान एक्चुअली? बिजनेस प्लान इज योर विजन, कि अगले 5 साल 10 साल में आप क्या करने वाले हो, कैसे काम करने वाले हो, किस प्रोसेस से जाने वाले हो, कितने बिजनेस में अपडेट्स होने वाले हैं आपके यहाँ से, इन टर्म्स ऑफ फिनेंशियल डोमेन, इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट डोमेन, इन टर्म्स ऑफ मार्केट डोमेन, इन टर्म्स ऑफ सेगमेंट डोमेन, everything you are going to consider here, and you should write it. Once you are going to write it, that document is going to help you to get fund from different sources. Now, here role of mentor is very important. Even though idea has flashed in your mind, but mentor are helping you throughout your journey, because हम बिजनेस प्लान लिखते हो तो हमें बेसिकली क्या लगता है कि यार मुझे बिजनेस मेरा है तो आई कैन एक्सप्लेन इजीली. यस, यू कैन एक्सप्लेन माय फ्रेंड्स, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द बैंक ऑफिशियल्स, व्हेन इट कम्स टू फाइनेंशियल डोमेन्स, plan should be very well documented on legal format also, as well as it should cover everything that investors should invest in your company. And here role of mentor is quite important. I have seen many businesses without investing more amount, they have generated large funds from the outside sources. So their business plan speaks on behalf of what their plans for the future businesses are. Simply, business plan help you to prospect your company in a proper way, and this will guide you about different milestones you are going to touch in the span of 3 years, 5 years, what you are going to plan it out. So business plan is a very crucial document, and my friends, you supposed to prepare it. Being a management students, probably you are aware about the business plan, but actually business plans are quite different than management, what you are going to study in your management books, and in actual what companies are expecting. Business plan here actually works upon practical things and realistic figures. Now, once you are going to plan for the business plan, if it is a well documented, it's easy to raise capital from the different sources, because money is a crucial part to get for the businesses. My friends, there are various ways to raise money from for the business. ना यहाँ पे बोलना चाहूँगा मैं, जो लोग बोलते हैं पैसा नहीं है, लेकिन पैसा है नहीं सर तो बिजनेस कैसा करेंगे हम लोग. माय फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में पैशन है, अगर आप में विलिंगनेस है, अगर आपके पास अच्छा आइडिया है, तो पैसा आपको मिलता है ऑटोमेटिकली. आपको खाली उसको दिमाग से यूज़ करना होता है. तो रेजिंग कैपिटल इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील इन माय ओपिनियन. मैनेजिंग योर मनी इज़ अ बिग डील. पैसा मिलता है. हाउ वी कैन जनरेट मनी हियर. मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ 2-3 इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बोले इस आगे वाले स्लाइड में. यू विल कम टू नो हाउ वी कैन रेज मनी एंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट सोर्सेज ऑफ रेजिंग मनी फ्रॉम द मार्केट और बाय योर ओन. जनरली आपने सुना होगा बीइंग ए मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट्स की देयर आर एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स, देयर आर वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट, और देयर आर वेरियस फाइनेंशियल स्कीम्स बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, थ्रू विच वी कैन जनरेट मनी. यस, देयर इज पॉसिबिलिटी. Now everything depends upon your business plan, because that document explains each and everything, and that is the document all companies are going to check whether to invest or not. So that's why if you have a proper support about your market research, your legal presence, अगर आपका business plan ready है और आपकी कंपनी रजिस्टर्ड ही नहीं है, nobody is going to invest in your business. सो प्रॉब्ली आई थिंक यू आर अवेयर कि मैंने जो आपको सीक्वेंस बोला था सबसे पहले, एक तो स्टार्टअप हमने समझा लिया, देन आपका आइडिया, उसका मार्केट रिसर्च, मेंटर, को फाउंडर, उसका लीगल प्रेजेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ कंपनी, इन कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ कंपनी, देन IPR हमने बात किया, बिजनेस प्लान बनाया. ये सब ज़रूरी है सो दैट अदर कंपनीज कैन कीप अ ट्रस्ट ऑन यू, trust on your documentation, because you have a legal presence, you have mentors with you, you have strong market research, you have done IPR related things also. So for companies it's easy to keep a trust, for bank it is easy to keep a trust, for government it's easy to keep a trust, so that they can offer funds to you. My friends, this will save your unnecessarily work, and you can easily generate money from the different sources as and when required. Now initially raising capital starts with a simple concept that is known as the bootstrapping. What is bootstrapping actually? Bootstrapping is a simple concept, raising funds from your own sources, maybe from relatives, maybe from family members. You can start a business, because angel investors, venture capitalists, easy. I am not saying it's tough, but it's need a proper presentation, proper business pitching, everything. And if your money requirement for the initial stage is very less, you can start with bootstrapping. At least you can ask your family members or relatives or any close friends so that they can invest in your company. Now here also, once you are going to ask them, you can submit your business plan. My friend, this is my plan, this is my documentation, this is I have done for. They are going to keep a blind trust on you definitely, my friends, because you have a legal document with you and that will help you. So bootstrapping, asking your friends, relatives to invest in their company, and that is easiest way, but that is only for if your capital requirements are very small. So this will help you if you're having a small requirement of funds. Second, angel investors. Now what is angel investor? Basically, as you can read in slide, angel investors are specifically individuals or business entities. They are interested in investing in small sectors or small scale startups because they can visualize or they can identify the spark in the startups, and they are going to invest simply. Their actually reason behind investing in your startup is to get money from your business, my friends. This angel investor are basically asking for stake in your company, and these are money, basically these are kind of money game, I can say. Angel investor invest only because they are interested in returns from your business. If your business is a best scope, if your business has a best scope for the market future, definitely investors are going to find you and investors are going to invest in your business, my friends. But here also your idea should be very well documented, and the flow, as I said earlier, is going to validate, again studied by the angel investors before investing. So angel investors are various organizations, those who are willing to invest in your organizations. Venture capitalist is another form of raising money from your market sources. These are actually large organizations in terms of their capacity, their legal presence, their financial capacity, and their network capacity also. These are basically interested in investing money in different sectors because they know that well diversification of business is a key source to earn money, and venture capitalists basically invest for long term. They know business initial the period, it's easy, it's very difficult for a business to sustain. So that's why venture capitalists invest money in your fund, in your organization for long term basically. And these are, as I said, these are professional bodies, so they understand the business nature and the business environment, and sometimes they guide you also. They provide their support in terms of technological base, legal base, and the further base to enrich your business, my friends. So venture capitalists, again, if you want to get some amount from venture capitalist, again your business plan, your business pitching will help you to get the money. Crowdfunding is another source which right now it has a growing importance in the many business domains. As I said, crowdfunding is basically there are certain websites. On that website you are going to upload your business plan, and many people are going to invest in your organization. Definitely these people are going to check again your business plan, your business idea, and these are going to invest in your organizations. So you can collect money from such sources also. The websites are fees based website, and you can share some part of your money to them for the transaction or process, and you can generate money from the different people whom are interested to invest in your business. As you can read in the slide, I have mentioned each and every important things to understand more about crowdfunding. I also given some kind of website examples here that is helping many startups to get funds from different sources of different people. So crowdfunding is again a tool to generate money for your business. Once you are going to done with the basically business funding, automatically there are certain offline community and meetups are helping startups to provide efficient service platforms. Here some professional bodies will help you to connect with the different market networks. Basically, these organizations will help you in your decision making, analyzing any business issues, and helping you through different service operations, because these people are having some experts with them and they can equally work with you through virtual mode or online mode. Automatically, you are going to get an expert people with whom you are going to work for your company, and such kind of offline community meetups are again there in the market, and business entrepreneurs or startup people can take benefit of such things. So my friends, till time basically we have discussed more about how to start a startup, what are do's and don'ts specifically, how without investing much amount we can start a business. So one initiative is there by Government of India, that is Startup India. So Startup India basically is a platform where business organizations can register themselves as these organizations. Startup India government initiative is offering various benefits to various startups. I am very happy to mention that I am a registered mentor for Startup India. You can see my profile on Startup India website also. In India, there are 85,000 plus startups are operating right now, and in Maharashtra probably 15,000 plus startups are there. Various startups with a different domain are there, and government has classified startups according to different domain and schemes, and they are offering various benefits to such startups, where startups can get help from Government of India in terms of finance, in terms of expert advices, in terms of IPR support or different support to require enrich the business. So Government of India is doing wonderful things to initiate the startup culture or startup ecosystem in India, and it's a responsibility of management students to use such great beneficial things and start their own venture. These are certain eligibility criteria which is important to register as a Startup India business entity. If you read that it should be registered, as I said earlier, company should be incorporated in early stage only. Your company should not be a copy or replica of an existing product or existing business, that should be new. 5 years should not be older than 5 years, or these are the certain extra guidelines by Startup India. You can see, you can read it. And I appeal those who basically start or willing to start their business, follow the rules, regulations I have shared with you, and do registered on Startup India, because you can connect with more 85,000 startups. There are certain incubation centers are also registered. There are some investor and organizations also registered. You can create a network and you can share your business information to all the people. It's easy to connect, easy to get expertise, easy to get the funds, and easy to connect the market also. You can also work for international level also if you're willing to work. So initiating on Startup India is a very important thing, my friends, if you are starting with a business. It's not mandatory, it's optional, but I appeal you should register. As we are talking about startups here, considering the pandemic situation, various business organizations are doing certain different things right now, and these are certain most profitable small businesses. Agri-tech business, fruit services, plant services. There are certain businesses which are very important right now. Now you can see पैंडेमिक हो गया और गवर्नमेंट ने बोला कि सलून बंद रहेंगे. तो माय फ्रेंड देखिए, अर्बन क्लैप इज कंपनी, प्रॉब्ली यू आर watching the advertisement on television also. They are providing door service of saloon at every home probably. If you want to book a saloon, just call for Urban Clap. The representative will come to your shop. You can have your own hairdressing or certain things. So can we start like this? Yes, we can. Agri-tech. Agri-tech मैं देखता हूँ कि basically there are certain fruits, certain plants, certain vegetables are available in local market, no doubt, but that is not available in mass market, district market or national market. Use that opportunity. ऐसा कोई आपको लगता है कि ये इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में मिलता है तो उसको लीजिए, उस पर स्टडी कीजिए, उसको पैकेजिंग कीजिए अच्छे से और मार्केट इट. एग्री टेक्नोलॉजी बेसिस पे देयर आर वेरियस बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आर डूइंग वंडरफुल थिंग्स राइट नाउ माय फ्रेंड्स. सो दीज आर सम स्मॉल. अब इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट ज़्यादा लगता नहीं, इसमें खाली लगता है आपका दिमाग. दिमाग क्यों लगता है? बिकॉज यू सपोज टू आइडेंटिफाई द मार्केट ईजीली, और इसके लिए आपको स्टडी करना पड़ता है इंटायर मार्केट का. वेबसाइट डिजाइनिंग इज अ बिजनेस राइट नाउ, बिकॉज राइट नाउ एवरी कंपनीज आर willing to work on e-commerce platform basically. So for companies it's mandatory to register their website. So you can work for a website designing also. Website designing के लिए not necessarily you should be from IT background. You can study the course on YouTube also, how to design the website, and you can start working on website designing. Business consulting means you offer your services as a accounting, basically for bookkeeping also. You can offering your services through virtual mode, online mode, work it on. Various businesses are there, my friends, through which you can start business. These are some examples only. Online tutoring I mentioned here. Right now everything is on virtual mode, online mode. So basically tuition is also going to on virtual mode. If you smart at study, start offering your services. This can be your startup also. You can aware about the Byju's. Byju's is the example. It's online virtual learning. Initially it was a tuition, but right now it shifted to the online tutoring. It's a great platform right now. Whole India is using that specifically. So you can transfer later on also, but your initiative is important. So that's why initiating at right time matters a lot to start a business entity. I believe specifically any time is a good time to start a company. So you can start your journey as an entrepreneur, my friends. And now I am going to show certain startups which I mentored earlier. Basically, I mentored more than 40 startups in the span of 3 years, and I am working as a consultant from more to 25 companies, strategic business. Here, I am taking some success stories of such kind of startups. The first startup I mentioned here, Pandit on Click. What we did actually, we surveyed that Pune is a place जहाँ पे हम काम करते हैं. Now it's going to be a cosmopolitan city. People from pan India and other countries also settle down in Pune. और हमारे यहाँ पे कैसा होता है कि जो भी कुछ नया होता है तो पंडित से हम शुरुआत करते हैं, पूजा शुरुआत करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हमने सर्वे किया कि देयर आर बंगाली पीपल, देयर आर साउथ इंडियन पीपल, देयर आर नॉर्थ इंडियन पीपल, और उनका खुद का कल्चर अलग होता है. और यहाँ पे जो पंडित जो होते हैं वो तो महाराष्ट्रियन बेसिकली होते हैं. तो एक एक्सपेक्टेड होता है कि सपोज आई एम अ तमिल पर्सन, तो आई वांट अ तमिल पंडित मुझे मिल गया तो कितना अच्छा होगा, ताकि मेरे कल्चर से यहाँ पे पूजा होगा. सो वो हमने प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई किया. हमने यहाँ पे सर्वे करवाया, पंडित का क्लासिफिकेशन करवाया, पंडित फ्रॉम अदर देन महाराष्ट्र हमने कॉन्टैक्ट्स करवाए, उनका डेटाबेस जमा किया, प्लेटफॉर्म सेट किया और वो सर्विस ऑफर किया. राइट नाउ 2016 में हमने स्टार्टअप किया था ये. आज उसकी ब्रांचेस आई थिंक मोर देन 12 सिटीज़ में है पूरे भारत के. तो माय फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ अ इनिशिएटिव और कंपनी इज़ डूइंग वेल. राइट नाउ कंपनी इज़ diverting to the connecting different temples where you can offer online puja also, and they are doing wonders. Study Mantra basically is an app we develop under digital campaign. हमने मैनेजमेंट के जो बुक्स थे बेसिकली, ये बात हमने किया था 2017 में, और 17 में हमने हर एक मैनेजमेंट बुक का डिजिटाइजेशन किया था. अभी जो सब कुछ डिजिटल हो रहा है ना, ऑनलाइन मोड पे जा रहे हैं, वो हमने उस टाइम किया था. एंड दैट इज़ अ ग्रेट एग्जाम्पल. ई लर्निंग ऐप हमने डेवलप किया था अंडर डिजिटल कैंपेन. वेरियस थिंग्स आर देयर. एक स्टार्टअप मुझे याद है, पिंक लॉन्ड्री. हमने क्या किया था, पिंक लॉन्ड्री बेसिकली एक सोशल स्टार्टअप किया था, सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बोलते हैं जिसको हम लोग. हैंडीकैप वुमेंस के लिए ऐसा कोई इनिशिएटिव नहीं लेता है. सो हमने क्या किया, हैंडीकैप वुमेन का सर्वे किया, उनका लाइफस्टाइल देखा कि कैसे जीते वो लोग, कितना पैसा उनको मिलता है, क्या फैमिली बैकग्राउंड से वो है, और हमने एक बिज़नेस चालू किया इस्त्री करने का, आइनिंग करने का. हमने उनको ट्रेनिंग दिया, सोसाइटी के साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करवाए, एक कंपनी रजिस्टर करवाया पिंक लॉन्ड्री नाम का, उससे साथ टाइप करवाया. टाइप करवाने के बाद उनको हमने ऑफ़र दिया लॉन्ड्री का काम. हैंडीकैप वुमन जो चल फिर सकती है उनको काम दिया कपड़े कलेक्ट करने के लिए अलग अलग बिल्डिंग से, और वो लोग जाएंगे आइनिंग करवा के वापस देंगे और पैसा ट्रांसफ़र ऑनलाइन होगा. ऑनलाइन क्यों? ताकि उनको कैश कैरी ना करने की ज़रूरत पड़े, सिक्योरिटी बेसिस पे, और ये बिज़नेस हो गया. So various business we have started in such kind of span of 3 to 4 years. These are some examples which are successful startup by us. More than the list is about 37, but we have crossed just 40 plus, and our startups are doing best in market right now. Ultimately, एक स्टार्टअप मैं यहाँ पे बोलूँगा, मैंने 23 नंबर पे एक स्टार्टअप है AMJ रिसोर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. आई स्पेसिफिकली वांट टू स्पीक ऑन दिस. एक स्टूडेंट था मेरा जो था परभनी से. परभनी बेसिकली पूना से काफ़ी दूर है, और जो बंदा था वो MBA कर रहा था, बट इतना अंग्रेज़ी ठीक तरीके से बोल नहीं पाता था. वेरी पुअर इन इंग्लिश. MBA मार्केटिंग किया उसने, और पर्सन वॉज बिलोंग टू रिजर्व कम्युनिटी. नेचुरली पैसा नहीं था, और डिफ़िकल्ट था कि कैसे उसको करना है, क्या करना है. तो हमने उसको एक सर्वे करने के लिए बोला था कि परभनी में, आप उसको बोला परभनी में जाओ, वहाँ पे डेमोग्राफिक सर्वे करके आओ कि लोग क्या करते हैं वहाँ पे, लोगों का अर्निंग सोर्स क्या है, क्या बैकग्राउंड से लोग हैं. ही कैम. उसने मुझे बोला सर हमारे यहाँ पे आर्मी से रिटायर्ड हुए लोग काफ़ी है. तो हमने बोला इट्स गुड, क्यों ना हम सिक्योरिटी सर्विस एजेंसी चालू करें. तो वो स्टार्टेड विद सिक्योरिटी सर्विस एजेंसी. कंपनी रजिस्टर्ड करवाया, उसके पिताजी को चेयरमैन पोजीशन पे बिठाया, बिकॉज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी था. डायरेक्टर खुद बन गया. 300 लोगों का डेटाबेस उसने गैदर किया. गैदर करने के बाद, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करने के बाद, वो डेटाबेस हमने नियर बाय बैंक्स, नियर बाय शॉप्स, नियर बाय ATMs को ऑफ़र किया, और उनसे कनेक्ट करवा लिया. कनेक्ट करवाने के बाद हर एक मेंबर के पीछे 300 रुपये हर महीने का कमीशन लिया. नाउ यू कैन कैलकुलेट, 300 लोगों का 300 रुपये हर महीने का बिज़नेस उसके आते गया, और बिज़नेस स्टार्ट हो गया. और लेटर उसका बिज़नेस और डाइवर्सिफाई किया हमने, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस बढ़ता गया. अब उस बंदे के, अजय गायकवाड़ का, AMJ रिसोर्स ऑलरेडी है, उसके साथ उसका एक स्कूल है, उसने स्कूल चालू करवाया एज अ डाइवर्सिफिकेशन ऑफ बिजनेस, एंड ही बिकेम बेस्ट एंटरप्रेन्योर राइट नाउ. अगर वही बंदा आज मार्केट में जॉब करने जाता तो शायद उसको 20-30 हज़ार रुपये सैलरी मिलता, बट आज वो खुद अराउंड उससे डबल या ट्रिपल कमा रहा है एज अ बिजनेस एंटरप्रेन्योर. सो दिस इज़ द मैजिक ऑफ बिजनेस एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. दे अर्न अ लॉट फॉर सेल्फ. इनिशियल आपको काम करना है, नो डाउट, बट लाइफ आपकी है. मैं एक चीज़ हमेशा बोलता हूँ यहाँ पे, एवरी पर्सन शुड अर्न 2 टाइप्स ऑफ इनकम, दैट इज़ एक्टिव इनकम और पैसिव इनकम. एक्टिव इज़ व्हाट? जैसे मैं जॉब पे जाता हूँ, सुबह 9 से 7 मुझे काम करना है. मान लो मैं 4 दिन काम पे नहीं गया तो ऑटोमेटिकली मेरा लीव लग जाएगा और मेरा शायद सैलरी कट होगा. दिस इज़ एक्टिव इनकम. जब तक मैं काम पे हूँ मुझे सैलरी है, जब तक काम पे नहीं जाऊँगा सैलरी नहीं मिलेगा. एक्टिव इनकम. आई बिलीव इन पैसिव इनकम. पैसिव इनकम इज़ व्हाट? आप इनिशियली खुद के लिए अच्छा काम करो, बिजनेस के लिए काम करो, और लेटर योर पीपल आर गोइंग टू कैरी द बिजनेस. सपोज मैंने अगर बिजनेस चालू किया और 4 दिन में कहीं बाहर गया तो मेरा बिजनेस चालू होता है, मेरे लिए मेरे लोग काम करते हैं और मुझे पैसा मिलता है. दैट इज़ पैसिव इनकम. सो अगर मैं एक्टिव इनकम और पैसिव दोनों करना चाहता हूँ, यस यू कैन. इनिशियली एक्टिव इनकम आप कीजिए, बट जो टाइम आपको मिलता है, मान लो मैंने 10 घंटा काम किया, 14 घंटा मेरे पास है, 4 घंटा बिजनेस में डालो और वो पैसिव में टर्न करो, आपका बिजनेस हो जाएगा. माय फ्रेंड्स, आई बिलीव business initiatives are very important to create your own life. Everyone want a delightment life. To get the delightment life, you're supposed to work smart and hard as well as both, because your decisions are very important to create a differentiation from market to you. And my friends, businesses are a very important part of current market need right now. गवर्नमेंट also offering various benefits, various schemes where आप उसका बेनिफिट ले सकते हो और बिजनेस कर सकते हो. सो माय फ्रेंड्स, आई थिंक दैट आफ्टर दिस सेशन यू आर गोइंग टू चेंज योर माइंडसेट and searching for best business ideas. For any help, you can contact me here. My number is there, my email ID is there. Dr. Sujay Khadilkar is very good friend of mine, and even you can discuss with him, और हम बिजनेस कर सकते हैं. Don't underestimate yourself always, because you are blessed with extraordinary brain and God expects something better from you. जॉब तो करना है, नो डाउट जॉब करो, बट बिजनेस भी करो और एक्टिव और पैसिव इनकम लेके लाइफ एंजॉय करो. I am very thankful to all the organizations for inviting me to have a word with most students and the faculty members. Thank you so much, and I want to see all you as a business entrepreneurs soon. Thank you so much. Thank you.